Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is September 10th, 2020, and as you can see right here, my profit for today is $146.90. So yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, so even before I start, I want you to take a look at this chart right here. You can see that the overall trend is going down. So if I draw an arrow right here, you can see that it is pointing down. And you know, for me, usually in the morning, I woke up actually pretty late this morning, so I didn't get the opportunity to take this trade here. So I actually woke up around like 10 o'clock, and you know, I monitored what was actually happening. The futures were actually it was up high this morning, pretty high, and it seemed as though everything was going to rebound and just keep going higher and higher. So with that being said, usually whenever you're doing trades, you have to take your time and just analyze where you're going to get in and where you're going to get out. So for me, I took a series of 5 trades for today, and all of them the same amount of shares. That's what I usually do. This is just my style of trading. You don't have to follow that, but I'm just used to it. So before taking my first trade, I realized that we certainly hit a resistance here, right here, if you take a look from before. So we're looking at the previous. So before I took this trade, we saw that there was a previous resistance. If this was broken, if this had go over, then we would have seen a higher, this would have actually been uptrending. So, and as you can see here, after I actually took my first trade, so I got in here, my first trade I took 33.43, and then I got out 33.44. That's one trade, and then I got in here 33.39, and then I got out 33.42. Same here, wait for the dip, 33.44, and then I got out 33.45. And at this point here, I think I was already up like, I'd say, I think like 80 something. And we saw that after this candlestick here, we can clearly see that this did not break through. So obviously we have a resistance point right here. So at 33.48, we definitely hit a resistance point. This would have been our high of day, and we just pretty much started downtrending from here. For me, my style of trading, I usually get in, get out, so I made my profits already. When something like this sells off, you have to be patient. You have to make sure that from this bounce right here, this is pretty much a fake out, because some people, what they think is that it's just actually going to rebound and then it just actually gets rejected instead. So if you notice here, we had this second pullback, so here, right here, and actually I waited, because you need to actually wait until it's above the EMA line. So this is what I did. I get in at 33.02, and then I sold out 33.04, making sure it's also going above the EMA line. This one here, you can see we're testing again, so we keep testing to see if we're going to actually break through the VWAP line and continue to uptrend. But at this point, we saw that the futures was actually pulling back, and it's crazy. Like, you can see that after it got rejected again by the VWAP, everything just went downhill from there. So I took my last trade, my last and final trade, which before this trade here, I was probably up 120 something dollars. And then from here, I just took one more trade, so 33.05, and then I sold out at 33.06, resulting in $146.90 on the day, which is just absolutely amazing. Even though I woke up late, I was still able to stick to my plan, stick to my same trading style that brings me, you know, my money that I usually accumulate on a daily basis. So whether it's a red day or it's a green day, as long as you have a strategy that works for yourself, that's all that matters. And I just want to pull up /NQ here so you can actually see the futures market. Right here, you can see that we are down negative 1.9%, or 217 points. We were actually rallying in the morning, and then it just got rejected. It just went all the way down. So in markets like these, in times like these, you have to be patient. Don't try to rush anything. If you're stuck in a trade, just leave it. You know, either cut your losses, or, you know, have a plan that if you're going to hold overnight, make sure you follow through. Let's go back to Amazon here. even in my previous video, I told you guys that if this had continued to uptrend, then we would have definitely seen some higher highs, or if this gets rejected, it's going to continue trending down. So right now we're possibly in consolidation. This can probably go sideways, or it can actually continue going down. We'll see what happens for tomorrow, but as of right now, the futures, it's still looking weak. So, you know, we just have to give it some time. But yeah, that's pretty much my video for today. Just let me know in the comment section down below, how has it been for you guys? Are you able to trade, and did you actually bring in some money today, some profits, or did you actually take a loss? If you didn't, just make sure you're very patient with red days like these. You know, make sure you have a style, like I said before, and try not to overtrade it, you know, because that can actually make you get into more losses. So yeah, that's pretty much my video. I just wanted to share that with you guys. $146 on the day, and I'm pretty much happy. I made my goal for today, which is usually, like I said, I'm still in the range of like 100 to 150, sometimes 200, but I try to aim for 100 on the day, and I just call it a day. So yeah, let me know in the comment section, how are you guys doing? And if you like this video, you know, smash that like button, notification bell, man, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.